how to log in to www.gmail.com. So if you want to log into your Gmail account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for www.gmail.com, which will directly take you to the Gmail website or the Gmail page. So now to log into your account, you can choose the existing account or you can choose another account. So I'll be choosing another. And here you need to enter your email or your phone number. And once you enter your email, you need to click on next, which is on the bottom right. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create account and you can create an account. And once you click on next, here you need to enter your password. So enter your password. And if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password and click on next. And once you click on next, it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Gmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.